This one spice stops heart attacks, improves gut health, and kills cancer cells. Hello, everyone. Did you know that there's a powerful spice that can not only help prevent heart attacks, but also improve your gut health and even possess properties to kill cancer cells? Yes, you heard that right. Today we're diving into the miraculous benefits of turmeric, a golden spice that has been revered in traditional medicine for thousands of years. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. 1. Turmeric and heart health. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is its active ingredient. Research has shown that curcumin can improve endothelial function, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This is crucial because endothelial dysfunction is a major driver of heart disease, as it's responsible for regulating blood pressure, blood clotting, and various other factors. Studies also suggest curcumin can reduce inflammation and oxidation, which are significant contributors to heart disease. By integrating turmeric into your diet, you could potentially lower your risk of having a heart attack. 2. Restoring gut health with turmeric. Our gut is often referred to as our second brain, and its health is essential for overall well-being. Curcumin in turmeric is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help restore gut health. It can aid in balancing gut bacteria and repairing gut lining, which reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, turmeric can help in the digestion process by stimulating the gallbladder to produce bile, making the digestive system more efficient. 3. Turmeric's role in cancer prevention. One of the most exciting areas of turmeric research is its potential role in cancer prevention and treatment. Curcumin has been found to affect cancer growth, development, and spread at the molecular level. Studies have shown that it can contribute to the death of cancerous cells and reduce angiogenesis, growth of new blood vessels in tumors, and metastasis, spread of cancer. While research is ongoing, incorporating turmeric into your diet could be a proactive measure in cancer prevention. Thank you for tuning in to discover the remarkable health benefits of turmeric. It's fascinating how a single spice can have such profound impacts on our health. Remember, while turmeric can offer fantastic health benefits, it should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information valuable, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.